everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1987 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 short box four-wheel drive pickup truck, guys. Great truck. Truck's originally out of California, clean Carfax with 63,000 original miles. This is a factory color combination. It has been repainted, but again, it is a factory white truck. Good, solid, straight truck. And I'll tell you one thing, I actually bought this truck down in Florida. When I bought it from the guy and I told him it's from Michigan, he told me, hey, you can get in this thing and just drive it back home. He said, this is a good truck. Good, solid, straight truck, clean underneath. He's put new BF Goodrich all-terrain TAs all the way around it. Stock wheels. Of course, 87. This is the first year for fuel injection. It's got the dual tank option. Factory air blows cold. And just a good looking truck. Sits good. I think that's off stock. It hasn't been lifted or anything. And there's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck, guys. Just a really good looking 4x4. Stainless looks good. Grill looks good. Bumpers are nice. It's got that front, it looks original. It's got a little mark there. It's got the front spoiler on it. Factory glass. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Bench seat. They've rhino lined the bed. Clean, man. This thing has a good, solid body on it. Clean underneath. Sits good. It's got the stock single exhaust, factory 373 rear axle in it. And you can see that's new rubber. And it's clean in there, guys. Frame's nice and clean. Front disc brakes. Factory 5-liter fuel injected engine, stock intake, exhaust manifolds. Looks pretty much bone stock in here, guys. Factory air, again, the air blows cold. 700R4 automatic overdrive trans. You can see it's still got the jack. And it's got all your stickers on it too. Clean truck. Yeah, you're looking for a good-looking four-wheel drive to cruise around. I'll tell you what a lot of these guys are doing. We've been selling these things like crazy. A lot of guys are buying stuff like this and driving it. Blemish there. Just say, a new truck loaded up, it's $80,000. A lot of guys are buying these things and just driving them. Door seams are nice and clean. Door pads are nice. I did get the pictures taken outside. Froze my butt off. But We're doing the videos in here, too cold out there. Tilt column, cruise control. 63,294 on your odometer. AM/FM cassette radio. I couldn't get that to come on. Again, dual tanks. You can see how nice the dash pad is. Again, the air does blow cold. Heat works. Had that on this morning. I've ordered new floor mats for it. Again, dual tanks. Single exhaust. 373 rear axle. You're seeing that, that's just somebody's fingerprints there. Again, truck's clean underneath, clean Carfax, which shows the miles as well. A ton of new stuff here, guys. We're gonna try to knock it out as fast as we can. But we have a bunch of new cars coming, so starting to think spring. We're getting there. We're still quite a ways off here, but okay, seats real nice. All the your original owner's manuals and stuff are in there, and all your service codes are still on the in there as well. You hear Nathan just kicked your air on, it blows cold. Great running truck. And all your gauges are functional. Backup lights work. It's got a little plug-in. It also has a receiver for trailer. Couldn't get that to come on, Nathan.
Lights up and it's static and then it goes out. So
oh.
Sure once it's
okay, so it's well, it might not come in a building. So, but it is working.
Power's on, so.
Okay. I know the blower motor works. There's a functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.